Hi everybody, it's Carol here from Aquahaven747.com, and today we are in my granddaughter's room. We just finished doing a big declutter last week and reorganized and started redecorating a little bit. So if you are looking for tips to decorate and organize a very, very small room for a little girl, please keep watching and I'll see you at the end. Good afternoon, everybody. I am at my grandkids' house, and today we are going to be going through my granddaughter's room. Her mom has already got this pile of clothes that she has outgrown and doesn't wear, and we're going to go through all her other stuff here and try and get things organized for back to school. So, I guess we'll get started maybe with the bed. Taking everything out of the room, we're going to give it a good clean and then go back and put stuff in. Okay, so we have finished decluttering and cleaning in here. We have a few more projects that we still need to do. We have rearranged some furniture and taken out one piece. And move the little shelves over here. We're going to move that sign over to the door afterwards, but I got to come back with my screws. This little picture is going to get hung up as well, which also I need more screws for. So this is the little makeup area. In the drawers we have her makeup and perfume and nail stuff because she likes to dress up like that. And let's see, so she likes her unicorn stuff still. I went and broke the lamps, so I may have to get a new lampshade for them, but this little card here pulls out. So we've got the bigger stuffies on the top and jewelry here and hair stuff there, and Kayla's going to make labels for them with her Cricut machine. In the nightstand on the top drawer we have her notebooks and pens and stuff like that. We've got her PlayStation games and a couple of books in there, and in the bottom her fidgety kind of toys, and so that's staying the same. Kayla did a great job, and Khalees too did a great job decluttering all these clothes. The other grandmother has a shopping problem, I think, apparently. At least she blames her mom for it anyway. So she has all these clothes, and they've all been tidied up. And in that bin up there are all her purses. That's the sock bin, the underwear bin. And this is Play-Doh and stuff that's messy, and then there's Christmas stuff put away there, and a few clothes that are a bit too big still. And these are all things she's wearing, her new school shoes for this year, sandals, and there's another pair of new shoes back there as well. And of course she has her laundry hamper here, which she got for Christmas. And in this like bag thing, we have all these other stuffies that she wanted to keep. So that's where we're at now, and I will show you when we are completely done. Now we're still waiting for the pillow to come out of the laundry, and we're actually looking at possibly getting a new bed. So I will show you when we're done. Okay, so today's the day for the big reveal for Khalees's room. As you can see, we got the sign on her door, and ta-da! I'll give you a swipe around here. We have her laundry hamper here still. Got that little picture hung up there. The closet, got a new handle on it. We did add this little bin here that she wanted to add all her extra shoes and things that she had elsewhere in the house, but otherwise the closet's maintained pretty much the same. She's got all the same color hangers, so that also helps to cut down on visual clutter. And otherwise pretty much the same in there. Now over here on this cart, Kayla still hasn't had a chance to make the labels for the cart there, and got the 3 stuffies up here, your TV and what is that, PS4 I think it is game. We were able to get the lampshade fixed thanks to my son, and of course Khalees has found this sparkly little rock, so well, gotta have room for that. But it was a week ago that we did the decluttering, and I must say that Khalees has done an amazing job at keeping things tidy. I brought in this extra little shelf here, and all these little stuffies are on there. There's actually another one that she has that goes up here too, but I think it's elsewhere in the house. Not sure where she put it. We've got a couple little pictures there. New curtains. Another couple of pictures over here. And I brought these little sconces that I had over, and she's got like her little purses, the unicorn purse and her little crown purse there, which I thought were just too cute. So her makeup area is pretty much the same. We decided to switch out that stool for a little ottoman here, so it tucks away under there pretty good. And she's got 2 pails, which she can also use as a garbage can if necessary. Oh, and on the back of the door here, we have a hook for her robe now. So we didn't end up using that polka dot bag that was there before with the stuffies. Yeah, so this is the final reveal. So yeah, Khalees's unicorn room. Well, that's it for my granddaughter's little room here. And next we'll be doing my grandson's, which is another challenge. So see you in the next one.